See on the table?
Birds.
Birds. And what are they living in?
A
A
nest.
nest. What do you guys think these are?
The strings.
Strings?
Strings.
Yarn. What do you think that they mean?
Yarn. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Okay, well we'll find out.
String branches.
So first, before we start, we are going to go over some rules. Okay? Rule number 1, keep your bottom on the seat.
Okay.
Rule number 2, keep your hands to yourself. Bless you. And rule number 3, we are going to pass around tweezers. Who knows what tweezers are?
I know they pick out some of you. They also pick out some slivers.
Okay, so we're going to pass around the tweezers when it's your turn. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed the birds. What kind of food do birds eat?
Sticks.
Do birds eat sticks?
Yeah. No.
What do birds eat?
Bird feed.
Bird feed? Who said worms? Kesley said worms. So what do you guys think that these are?
Birds.
Worms. And how do birds eat their food?
The parents actually don't eat it. They actually feed it to their baby.
That's right. How do they eat their food though?
I don't know.
With their, what's this called?
Beaks.
Okay, we're going to pretend that these tweezers are beaks. Okay, so we're going to take turns and we're going to feed the birds. We're going to pick up a worm with the tweezers and we're going to bring it to the nest and feed the bird. Okay? Okay, Ridge, you're going to go first.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Colton.
Bye.
So pick up the worm and feed the birds. Oh, shake it off. Good job, Ridge. Okay, pass it on to Delaney.
Outside today, we went out and played.
I just dropped.
Okay, Delaney's turn.
It wasn't, you better
Pick
move
up
that.
the worm and feed the bird with
What
it.
did you go do? What did we do?
Nice job, Delaney.
Okay,
Okay, pass the tweezers.
Yeah.
that was like
Remember what the rules are, Jet? To keep your bottom on the seat.
Oh,
Okay, Kesley, your turn.
I mean, your bundle.
Can you pick up a worm? No, it's kind of hard to reach, so if you need to stand up, we'll have to get it. Good job. Okay, now pass the tweezers to Jet. Find a worm, pick it up.
Don't want to no, it's witches. Yes, mine. No, that wasn't jam.
Nice job.
Why did
Jet.
you say jam?
Okay, pass it to Avery.
She said, "Is he
Avery, your turn. Do you think you could pick up 2 worms this time?
because of his
Whoa, that's like 4 worms.
It's 3. Open witch.
Nice job. Okay, Rich. Your turn, Rich. Do you think you can pick up 2 worms?
he's never been on
Oh, I'm not happy.
Or
We thought that
but
push her, but she's
Okay, pass it to Delaney.
for 10 months and 12 months.
Delaney, can you pick up 2 worms?
eating them.
Your gut sick, you should.
I
I'm hoping this will just really.
you feeding mine. Where's my bird?
Try not to use your fingers, Delaney. Just use your tweezers.
Yeah, we're not feeding
Whoa, that is so many worms.
I'm not worried about it. She's like,
Yum.
them.
Here.